Let's make the SC zombie. To make this drink properly, we should use a drink mixer. However, I don't have a drink mixer, so we're going to shake it instead. And what we're going to do is put a lot of ingredients in the shaker. We're going to start with our juices. 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 1/4 ounce of grapefruit juice. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. 1/4 ounce of cinnamon syrup, and this is the SC, Smuggler's Cove version of cinnamon syrup. The recipe's here on the channel. Link to it will be down below. Check it out. 1/4 ounce, 7.5 milliliters. SC cinnamon syrup. 1 teaspoon of grenadine, and again, this is the Smuggler's Cove version of grenadine. Recipe will be down below. 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. Falernum. The book does specify John D. Taylor's Velvet Falernum, and we're going to put in 1/2 ounce, which is 15 milliliters, once we get the cap off. Rums. 1.5 ounces, which is 45 milliliters of your blended aged rum. A little drip there, perfect. 1.5 ounces of your column still aged rum. 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. And 1 ounce of your black blended overproof rum. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Final ingredient, herbstura. Herbstura, we're going to put in, it calls for 2 dashes, but I've got a dropper bottle instead of a dasher, so I'm going to just put in 1 thing. Herbstura. Millimeters, who knows. Now I'm going to get some ice. Note that the recipe does specify exactly how much ice to put in. I'm not going to measure my ice, but I am going to crush it. I'll be right back with you. Ice crushed, I better put this away. I'm going to add that to the shaker. Hopefully it won't overflow. We're going to give this a flash shake. And the recipe calls for a open pour with a gated finish. So I'm going to open pour. Into a zombie glass is what you're supposed to use. I just have a Tiki glass. And it all goes in there, so I don't have to worry about the gated finish. I'm going to crush a little bit more ice. With that ice crushed, I'm going to top off my glass and garnish with a sprig of mint. I wish I could get better mint. I'm going to have to grow some of my own. Wake it up. And I'm going to drop a straw in there. And there you have it, the SC Zombie. Drink safely with good spirits.